Okay, so what I'd like you to do is you're going to take your brush, you take a little bit of water in your yogurt cup, and then on your paper, do a brown splotch of paint. I use Q-tips, you can see, for each one of this, so that if I want more, I can go and get it. I've got a Q-tip and a black, a brown, a red, and a white. And what we're going to do is we're going to be mixing some of these colors. So you can kind of see, this is your paint experiment, right? So if we want to do like some light brown, I can mix some light brown over here. That might be a good color brick. If I want to grab a little bit of red in there to see what that does, put a little bit more white in. Maybe I want to add some of the black in. And you kind of see, do I kind of like that color brick? Kind of do. Maybe I want a little bit more red in there, right? And remember that bricks are not all the same color all the way through. So I've kind of like that. What I'm going to do with my brush is I'm going to just kind of twirl it over so that it gets all kinds of different colors in there. Maybe a little bit of brown, a little bit of red. I've got some white there. And then I'm going to take it on, so I've got the stencil, got it on the bottom of my flat, and I'm going to just go around. Kind of stamp it. Take some more. And I just wet my brush ahead of time just so that it wasn't completely dry and bristly. I'm holding the flat up, but you wouldn't have to. Too much white. Make sure you get the ends so that the whole thing is covered. All right, let's see what that looks like. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. So if you want to take some of your brown, because this was too much white. Still want enough room to do the shadows, so be careful that you don't do too much. Your bricks aren't too big, but you can always go back in. Outline your bricks some more. There we go. All right. So those are my bricks. And then we're going to do some shadow and some highlights when we come back.